Alright gang, I'm here with a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. Customer complaint of the auxiliary battery being bad. From the look of it, 9 volts. Yes, it's definitely undercharged. But what I want to do is, I'm going to get my tester and I want to test out her main battery, make sure that's good. I see some liquid under there and I'm not sure if it's coming from her main battery. That might be what she needs. So I got my tester here. Let's see what we got. Ouch. But that could be because of the auxiliary battery. I'm hearing that they drain each other. That's 10 volts right now. That probably won't start. More than likely that won't start. Yeah, that's definitely not gonna start. I get the juice to it, go up to 11.4. Drop back down a little bit. All right, you know what? Let me see, I might grab a key for me. It's 11.4, that's all right. That'll charge, that'll start it up. Yeah, so maybe, the auxiliary battery is definitely bad though, but I don't want to misdiagnose this. So you know what? I might use my scanner on this too, just as like a second precaution. Because I'm not sure. Because I know these batteries, the big one, if it's bad, it'll drain the little one. And if the little one bad, it'll drain the big one. We just replaced this one like last year. So I believe that one could still be good, but we didn't ever replace the main one. So she just might need the main battery. All right, let me get right back with y'all. Y'all back with the Chrysler Pacifica. We got the main battery out. After determining the diagnostics with my scanner and my jump box, I was able to determine that the main battery was definitely the problem. So we're about to get that replaced. And I get right back at y'all when we get it replaced. I have to run to the store now and grab it. Be right back. Alright. Back y'all with the new battery. Getting that installed now. This ground cable on there. This power cable on. So I get right back at you after I get this battery in, get the auxiliary battery back in, and get everything tight. Alright. Alright gang, we back with the Chrysler Pacifica. Got the new battery in here now. We had about 14.5. This light's flickering a little weird, and it got like a misfire. Yeah, I don't think we ever did the tune-up on this. Yeah, I don't think we did the tune-up on this, but let me see something. I'm gonna take a peek at these coils. Nah, we didn't. Yeah, I could tell by how old they look. We never did a tune-up on this. Okay, so she might be coming up on that. Yep, maybe needing a tune-up. Shutter. Alright, so what I want to do is too, while I got y'all on the line, try to see the difference on how it's charging, or at least how the battery is staying stable versus how it was the first time. Alright, so that's off. We should still be at like 12, 9, 13. Yep. So yeah, way better than what it was doing, because it was at like 10. So we knew that wasn't going to charge, but we had 12.7 is perfect. So I'm about to start it back up. Well, my customer gonna be happy now. She won't have to worry about any of these issues. Yep, starting up perfectly fine now. So that battery was old. It was original. I believe she had the van for a couple years. So it was about that time. Yep. So I get at y'all on the next one. Chrysler Pacifica battery replacement. I believe it's a 2018.